Good afternoon. Our lecture for this afternoon would be on review of related literature. Again, this is the research process. We start with a problem and then we formulate our objectives and then we search for review of related literature such that we delimit the research problem such that we formulate a testable hypothesis, identify research variables, eventually construct research design, design tools for data collection, design and plan for data analysis, start to collect data, process data, such that we analyze it so that we could draw conclusions and recommendations, and then we write and present our research findings. So what is related literature? It's composed of discussions of facts and principles to which the present study is related. These are materials which are usually printed and found in books, encyclopedia, journals, magazines, newspapers, and other publications. What are the importance, purposes, and functions of related literature? It helps or guides the researcher in searching for or selecting a better research problem or topic. It helps the investigator understand his topic or research better. It ensures that there will be no duplication of other studies. And it provides the conceptual or theoretical framework of the planned research. It gives the researcher a feeling of confidence. It provides information about the research methods used, provides findings and conclusions of past investigations. The surveyed materials must be as recent as possible. They say as much as possible, it should be within the last 5 years. Materials reviewed must be objective and unbiased. Materials surveyed must be relevant to the study. Surveyed materials must have been based upon genuinely original and true facts or data to make them valid and reliable. So how do we conduct the review of related literature? So you may visit the school library or other libraries in the vicinity, browse over books, magazines, journals. Be patient. You will not see your first journal at one go. So do a computer-aided search through an electronic database. This is what we usually do nowadays. So you're all familiar with Google. So you go to PubMed, website of journals, and ask for reprints from experts. So usually take down notes. So either an index card, notebook, or on your tablet so that you could organize your notes by devising sections and headings such as general information, methods used in other studies similar to your topic, support for the objectives 1 and 2, and results to compare with 9, and pros and cons of controversial issues of your subject matter. And then write all bibliographic information, authors, complete title, publisher, date, etc. This is quite easier because Microsoft Word does the work for you. However, you must be able to know how to write a proper bibliography. So learn to paraphrase at this stage such that you could avoid plagiarism when you do write your research paper eventually. So you could use these guide questions to formulate your review of related literature. So do the accumulated literature indicate gaps and inconsistencies which you have to fill in your research work? Are the variables adequately described? What data gathering instruments have been used? So are they reliable and valid tools? Usually these are the surveys, questionnaires, etc. Are the target and sampling populations presented? Were the hypotheses tested and correctly interpreted? Are the results logical? Are the conclusions and recommendations database? So how do we write the review of related literature after we have looked at the journals and found our data? So use headings arranged in logical order to indicate main points. Avoid too long introduction to your main topic. Include information that are directly related and relevant to your topic. A maximum of a half-page double-space must constitute one paragraph. Do not copy in toto the information from your source. No more than 10% of the entire paper is allowed for direct quotation. So give due credit to the real source of your data. Cite the authors at the end of the sentence. So paraphrase using your own words and style the data gathered. Summarize important points from your sources and relate them to your topic. Reinforce your data with selected figures or statistics from your course. So a common problem in writing your RRL is that it can turn on to a boring list of ideas in paragraph form. So how to avoid? Make subheads, transitional phrases, and unifying ideas to make information flow smooth. So spice up your writing with a variety to keep your paper alive. So author A found out, author B found out. So you could replace this found out with different um, adjectives and adverbs. So early in the 1980s, author A or according to author A. So these are options that you could use in your writing of your RRL. So what related literature should be included in this problem? To investigate the histological effects of neem seed kernel extract on mouse testis. So I'll leave you with this assignment. Look for a review of related literature for this topic, and then we will discuss tomorrow at 5 p.m. Tuesday, September 15. Thank you.